Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss how we can calculate median salary by each department. Okay. So the data that we have been provided is there is a department and there is an employee and then their respective salary. Okay. The output that we need to calculate is there should be department and then the respective median salary. Okay. This question is very important because this was asked to me in Goldman Sachs. So if you are someone who is in the who is going to join a team or maybe like looking in a career of the sequel, definitely this question is very important because there is a very high chances of you coming across this question in interviews. Okay. So before we jump on the sequel to solve this problem, let's first understand what is median, and then we should understand how we can what concept we are going to use. Okay, so basically this is the data that we have. I have taken the summary of data. Let me hide this for the simplicity now. There is a I think okay. So the data is suppose there is a sales and three employee have been provided, and then the marketing there are four employee provided. Okay. So median salary would be the mid value of for the sales, and for the marketing it would be the average of the two values. So basically, median means the if the data is sorted in ascending or descending order, then the mid value for the odd number of entries is the median. For the even number of entries, the average of the two mid value would be the median. Okay. So now let us see how we can take this value. Okay. So for that, I have done this. So I have calculated the ascending and descending rank, and then I have taken a difference. So suppose for sales, there are just three entries. So ascending rank would be 1, 2, 3 this way, and the descending rank would be 3 to 1 because the highest value will get the first rank. Okay. Now same goes for the marketing. The rank was vary from 1 to 4 and 4 to 1. Now I have taken the columns here, I have taken the difference of these two columns. And if you see the required value have difference of 0, -1 and 1. Okay. So firstly, what we will do is firstly we will calculate both the ranks. Okay. Then we will take the difference of the ranks and we will filter out these three values. Okay. So let's go to the SQL data. So this is the data that we have been provided. So suppose if I run this, there is a department, then employee ID and the salary. Now I need to firstly calculate the rank. So for that, I will use window function. So there is a department column, and there is salary. Then I need to calculate the rank. So for that, I will use. I'm partitioning it by department because we want rank to recalculate for new departments. And we want to order it by salary. Okay, since the first is ascending itself, which is the default rank ordering. So basically, I will not use any kind of ascending or descending. I will just copy and paste on the descending ranks and order it by descending. Let's call this descending as well. Now we have the ranks. Now I will refer to the table. Okay. Now let us see what it is giving us. So basically there is some issue not found. So department. Okay, so spelling is incorrect. Now let's run this. So basically it is giving us department salary and their respective ranks. Okay. Now what I will do is I will use this data and I will use subqueries. For that I will say select department. Then I will take let's take salary for now. Okay. Should source this table. And now in the filter, I will just take the three values that I have talked about. But for that, I will use absolute function. So absolute function, see what it does is it make everything positive. So suppose I will see ascending rank minus descending rank should be less than 2. It will covers all the condition that we have. Suppose let's run this table. So we are getting this right. Now if I will just take these two ranks as well for the simplicity. Let's take these as well. Just to show you, okay? We'll just delete it once we are done here. So what it is giving is this is giving these two values. If for the odd number of entries, there are just the mid value, and for the others it is mean. Now to calculate, I will remove these and I will take average of the salary. Why average? Because for the even number of entries, average would be required to calculate them. And here I will use group by. I will run this. This should give us the required output. So that's all we want to calculate. But I will show you the another method that you can utilize, which is much more simpler. So let's say with CT, and I will just copy and paste this data. Suppose I take this data. So the first one was using subqueries. This would be by using CTE. Okay. Where the absolute difference between the sending and less than group by partner. Okay, so this should give us the required output as well. So that's all guys, that's what we wanted to calculate. So in case you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to this as well. We regularly publish content on Excel, SQL and the related questions on business analysts. So please subscribe to the channel for the future episodes.